Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College.
Students, in the previous part we have studied simple sums which were only 5-digit numbers. Now in this part we are going to start solving or learn to solve sums of subtraction of 6 and 7-digit numbers. See, we have got first example 65 lakhs minus 7,843 minus 9,25,586. So I have written it in a tabular form so that it is easy to write carryovers. Okay, now we have to subtract here in the last column or units place column 3 minus 6 means we have to subtract 6 from 3. Is it possible? No. We have to go to the previous place. Cancel 4. What will remain here? 3. Cancel these 3. This number becomes 13. Now we have to subtract 13 minus 6. As I already told you what to do. This 6, next number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Total how many fingers are there? 7. So what is our answer? 7. Now 3 minus 8, is it possible? No. Go to the next place, cancel this 8. What will remain? 7. This number becomes 13. Now 13 minus 8. As I already told, count the next number onwards. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. How many numbers now? 5. Now 7 minus 5, it is so simple, very clear. It is 2. Again 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 2. Not possible. Go to the previous number, cancel. What will remain? 4. This number becomes 10. Now next number of 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many fingers are these? 8 fingers. So our answer is 8. 4 minus 9, of course not possible. Go to this place, right here 5. This becomes 14. Now very simple, children. Start counting fingers from next number onwards. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much remains? 5. So our answer is here 5. 5 as it is. So what is the answer over here? 55 lakhs 82,257. Now we'll start solving sum number 2. Students, let's begin to solve sum number 2. 34 lakh 61,058 minus 27 lakh 4,579. So let's write here in the table 34 lakh 61,058 minus 27 lakh 4,579. Now as usual in the units place we have to subtract 9 from 8. Oh my god, how it is possible? Yes, it is possible. Go to the tens place, cancel this 5, write here 4. This number becomes 18 because from here we are carrying 10. 10 plus 8, it becomes 18. Now as I already taught you to count the fingers, ठीक है ना? 18 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many fingers are these? 9 fingers. 9. Now 4 minus 7. Not possible. Cancel this 0. Previous number is 0. Go to this place. Cancel 1. Will remain here 0. Cancel it. Write here 10. Cancel it. Write here 9. This number becomes 14. Now 14 minus 7, yes it is 7. 9 minus 5, 4. Now again 0 minus 4, not possible. Go to the previous number, cancel it, will remain 5. This number becomes tens. On thousands place, 10 minus 4, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. Again we cannot subtract 7 from 4, cancel it, will remain 2. This number becomes 14. 14 minus 7, yes it is 7. 2 minus 2, 0. So our answer is 7,56,479. Children, these two sums which we studied are solved examples in the textbook. Now let's begin to solve problem set 11. Students, let's begin to solve sum number 1 from problem set 11. See, the numbers are given 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Children, now in the units place we have to subtract 6 from 3 or 3 minus 6. Can I subtract 6 from 3? Of course no, I have to go to the tens place. Cancel 1, what will remain here? 0. Then this number becomes 13. Now we have to subtract 13 minus 6. So as I already told you, you can count the finger 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. How many fingers are these? Yes, these are 7 fingers. So our answer is here 7. Now we have to subtract 5 from 0. Do not worry, go to the hundreds place. Cancel this 5, what will remain? 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 5, it is very simple. 5 only. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5 remains. Now 5 minus 8, again we have to borrow. Go to the lakhs place, cancel 8 will remain 7. Cancel it, this number becomes 15. Now 15 minus 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. How many fingers are these? 7. So our answer is here 7. Now 7 minus 4. How much remains? 3. So what is our final answer, children? 3,75,257. Always remember, when we are borrowing from the previous place, then that number is increasing by 10 and it is easy for us to solve the example. Students, let's begin to solve example number 2. 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. So let's write here in the table minus 10,07,423. See students, now on units place we have to subtract 3 from 9. Is very simple. 9 minus 3, yes, it is 6. Now we have to subtract 2 from 1. Can I subtract? No. Then I have to go to the hundreds place. It means I have to borrow. Cancel this 5. What will remain? 5 minus 1, 4. And this, when we are borrowing, it means we are borrowing 10. 10 plus 1, it is 11. 11 minus 2. Yes, it is 9. 4 minus 4, 0. As I already told you, any number subtracted from same number, answer is 0. Here again same thing. 7 minus 7, yes, it is 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our final answer? 3,10,096. Do you all understand this, children? So let's begin to solve sum number 3. See students, we have to subtract in this example 23,57,823 from 68,34,501. So let's write here in the table 68,34,501 minus 23,57,823. So let's start subtracting. Units place, 1 minus 3. Not possible. We have to borrow from the tens place. Oh my god, but on tens place there is 0. So go to the hundreds place. Cancel this 5. 5 minus 1, what remains? 4. Then on tens place we are adding here 10 plus 0. It means this number becomes 10. But we have to borrow on the units place also. Cancel 10. What remains? 9. And on the unit place number becomes 11. Now 11 minus 3, do not worry. Start counting the fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers are these? 8 fingers. So write here 8. 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2. How many remains? 7. So write here 7. Now 4 minus 8, is it possible? No, I have to borrow from the thousands place. Cancel this 4, remains 3. This number becomes 14. 14 minus 8. Again, start counting the fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So these are 6 fingers. Our answer is also here 6. Now 3 minus 7, again not possible. Go to 10,000 place, cancel. We have to borrow, so here will remain 2. This number becomes 13. So 13 minus 7. Start counting again the fingers 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So our answer is here 6. Now 2 minus 5, again not possible. Cancel this, 8 will remain 7. This number becomes 12. 12 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are 7. Answer is 7. 7 minus 3, yes it is 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So our answer is 44,76,678. Students, see the fourth example. Numbers are given 45,43,827 minus 12,05,938. Okay, I have written already these numbers in this table. So, on the units place column, in the subtraction, children always subtract from units place. Okay. Now we have to subtract on the units place 8 from 7. Is it possible? No. We have to borrow from the tens place. Cancel 2. What will remain? 2 minus 1? 1. This number becomes 17. When we are borrowing, it means we are borrowing 10. 10 plus that number. So that is 17. Now 17 minus 8. Quite a big number, but do not worry. Start counting the numbers. What is next number of 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So, how many fingers these are? 9 fingers. So, our answer is here 9. Now, can I subtract 3 from 1? No. Go to the hundreds place. Cancel 8 will remain here 7. We are borrowing 10 means our number becomes 11. Now, 11 minus 3. Start counting. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11. So, how many? These fingers are 8. So, our answer is 8. Now, 7 minus 9, is it possible? No. Go to the thousands place. Cancel 3. 3 minus 1 will remain 2. This number becomes 17. 17 minus 9. So, let's write here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these are 8 finger. It means our answer is 8. Now 2 minus 5, is it possible? No. Go to the next place. 4. Cancel 4. What will remain here? 3. Here this number becomes 12. Now 12 minus 5, it is very simple. 7. 3 minus 0. Children always remember if 0 is subtracted from any number, answer is the number itself. So 3 minus 0, 3. 5 minus 2, yes it is 3. 4 minus 1, 3. So our final answer is 33,37,889. Children, have a look on example number 5. Numbers are given 70,12,345 minus 28,64,547. I have written these numbers in this table. Now on the units place we have to subtract again 7 from 5 or 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. We have to go to the tens place. Cancel this 4. What will remain? 4 minus 1, 3. This number becomes again 15. Same technique we have to use to solve each and every example of subtraction. Now again 15 minus 7. Okay, start counting. What is next number of 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how much remains? 8. No need to draw all the time lines, then cancel it. That is time consuming. Now 3 minus 4. Is it possible? No. Go to hundreds place. Borrow from hundreds place. What will remain here? 3 minus 1, 2. And tens place this becomes 13. Now 13 minus 4. It is very clear. 9 remains. Now 2 minus 5, is it possible? No. Go to the thousand place. Again borrow from here. What will remain? 1. And on 100 place it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 5, 7. 1 minus 4, is it possible? No. Again let's borrow from 10,000 place. Cancel this one. Right here 0. This is 11. 11 minus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much it is? 7. Now 0 minus 6. Not possible. Go to 100 lakhs place. Oh my god, here is also 0. Go to 10 lakhs place. Cancel 7. What remains? 7 minus 1, 6. This number becomes 10 on lakhs place. But we have to borrow on 10,000 place. Cancel 10 minus 1. Here remains 9 and this number becomes 10. Now 10 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 4. So our answer is also here 4. Now 9 minus 8, very simple. Remains 1. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is our final answer? 41 lakh 47,798. Students, let us start solving example number 6. 38 lakh 1,213 minus 37 lakh 54,648. Let us write down these numbers here in the table. 38 lakh 1,213 minus 37 lakh 54,648. Okay, now on the units place we have to subtract 8 from 3 or 3 minus 8. We cannot subtract. Go to tens place. Let us borrow 1 minus 1 will remain 0 and this units place number becomes 13 because we have borrowed 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Now 13 minus 8. Let's start counting fingers. What is next number of 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are 5 fingers. Our answer is also 5. Now we have to subtract 4 from 0. Not possible. Go to hundreds place. Cancel 2 will remain 1. This number becomes 10. Now 10 minus 4. Yes, it is 6. 1 minus 6. Not possible. Go to thousands place. Cancel it. Right here 0. Hundreds place. This will become 11. 11 minus 6 now. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? Fingers? 5. So our answer is also 5. We cannot subtract 4 from 0. Go to 10,000s place. Here is also 0. Go to the lakhs place. Cancel this. 8 will remain 7. 10,000s place it becomes 10. But we have to borrow here. Cancel this. 10 will remain 9. And this number becomes 10. 10 minus 4. Yes, 6. 9 minus 5. 4. 7 minus 7. 0. 3 minus 3, 0 because here on lakhs and 10 lakhs place same numbers are subtracted from the same number. So our answer is also 0 here in the lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Okay, so our final answer is 46,565.